flat earthers were right and the Earth was, in fact, flat, how would gravity work? Would we still have time zones? Change of seasons? Would the conditions for life here on Earth exist at all? First of all, forget about walking to its edge. Gravity would simply not let you. Wait, would gravity even be possible on a flat Earth? The answer is yes, of course. The force of gravity is what keeps our planet, or any other planet, together. It's what forms a planet in the first place. In the case of a pancake-shaped Earth, the force of gravity would pull you to the center and would become stronger as you tried to walk away from it, pulling the top of your body backwards. It would feel as if you were climbing a hill that was getting steeper and steeper and steeper. By the time you reached the edge, down and behind you would become the same direction. Sound weird? How about water being sucked to the center of the Earth? Or diagonal trees growing in opposite direction of gravity's pull? And then there's the sun. How would a flat Earth behave in space? One flat Earth theory is that the sun revolves around the Earth, not the other way around. What if the sun orbited the Earth just like the moon does? In that case, you would never suffer jet lag, as there would be no such thing as time zones. The sun would light up both the top and bottom of the planet. This would mean constant light, no day and night cycle. Also, no seasons, or solar eclipses. The sun itself would have to be much smaller, otherwise it would burn the Earth to a crisp. It would probably fry the planet anyway, as there would be no geomagnetic field to protect the Earth from its radiation. The geomagnetic field is generated in the solid core of the Earth and keeps our atmosphere from escaping. Without it, cosmic rays would bombard our bodies, causing everything from cancer to DNA damage. The oceans would escape into space, and so would the air, and all our oxygen. But let's assume that a flat Earth had an alternative to our magnetic field. This way, you'd still be alive to notice some strange flat Earth effects, like your shadow. Say you had a friend just as tall as you, and they lived 1,000 miles away. On a sunny day, your shadows would be the very same length, because unlike here on a spherical Earth, the sun's rays would hit both of you at the same angle. And if you two were to meet up, traveling would turn out very different. Let's take a map introduced by the Flat Earth Society. Yes, the one that shows the Arctic at the center and Antarctica as an ice wall around the edges. In such a world, it would take you 32 hours to fly from Australia to some parts of South America. Did we mention there'd be no GPS? Satellites wouldn't be able to orbit a flat Earth, leaving humanity with no navigation and no synchronized time. This means no ATMs, no credit cards, and no high-speed market transactions. On the bright side, with a good pair of binoculars, you could see Dubai's Burj Khalifa from any part of the flat world. But let's be honest, you don't need to build your own rocket to see the Earth is not flat. The evidence is all around us.